Ever wondered how long does an oil change take? Well, today we're diving into the nitty-gritty of this essential car maintenance task. When you drive into an auto shop for an oil change, there are several steps involved to ensure your vehicle's engine stays in top condition. But how long does an oil change take? Generally, the entire process takes about 30 to 45 minutes. But that is not the whole story. The duration can vary based on a few factors such as the type of vehicle, the service location, and any additional services needed. First, the technician prepares your vehicle, checking the type of oil required and gathering the necessary tools. Then they drain the old oil from the engine. Next, the old oil filter is removed and replaced with a new one. Fresh oil is then poured into the engine. This step is straightforward but crucial for maintaining engine health. A quick inspection follows to check for any obvious issues or leaks. Finally, the technician ensures there are no spills and that everything is properly secured before closing the hood. So with that now in mind, just how long is an oil change? The exact time can vary. Dealerships might be quicker due to specialized staff and equipment, whereas independent shops might take a bit longer if they perform more comprehensive checks. Several factors can influence the duration, and here are some of them. The vehicle model. High performance or luxury cars might require special attention. Oil type. Synthetic oils might have a slightly different process compared to conventional oils. Technician's experience. Experienced technicians can perform oil changes more efficiently. Shop traffic. Busy times might lead to longer wait times. Here's a pro tip. Schedule your oil change during off-peak hours. To reduce wait time, morning hours during weekdays are usually less crowded. Here are some additional points to consider. Stick to your car's recommended maintenance schedule to avoid engine problems. Ensure the shop disposes of the old oil responsibly to protect the environment. Ask the technician to check other fluid levels like brake and transmission fluid. Maintain a log of your oil changes to track your vehicle's maintenance history. Understand the type of oil your vehicle requires and any preferences or recommendations from the manufacturer. So, how long does an oil change take? Typically, it's around 30 to 45 minutes. Regular oil changes are crucial for your car's longevity and performance. By staying on top of this maintenance task, you're ensuring a smoother ride and potentially saving yourself from more significant issues down the road. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more car maintenance tips.